Just rented some motorbikes. We're heading over to the Chocolate Hills. The ride begins now. We are on the Floating River Buffet. We're about to dig into this good food and get back on the road. So this is definitely part of the tour here. Boy! They made sure I was looking official out here. Oh, this dude's blowing fire? Keep it up, beat him. Walk like an Egyptian. Alright, we just had a little bit of a wet drive through the man-made forest. We are currently here coming to see the Tarsiers. There goes a sight from my soul. Alright guys, that was quite a bit of a climb up there. There's like at least a million stairs, but we made it. Welcome to the Chocolate Hills. So I believe what actually gives them the chocolate color, because they kind of look like Hershey Kisses mounds, is they do controlled burns on them, as you can see here. And it turns the ground pretty like brownish, ashy a little bit, so it gives it that chocolatey color. They're renting ATVs. There's quite a bit of ATV tracks, like trails down there, so I think we're gonna hop on it. The dude downstairs is offering $250. That's like $5 US for half an hour. I mean, you can't beat that.
Runs with dangerous.
I think a tall angel just walked by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul.
Alright guys, we're about to get back on these ATVs. I've been eating Vito's dust the whole time, so I gotta fucking do something about it.